Alright, so we're getting ready to start the intravenous insertion. First is to check the physician's written order for the type and amount of IV fluid, because physician order is a must before initiation of peripheral access and administration of an IV solution. Next is prepare the client and the family by explaining the procedure and its purpose. This is to decrease anxiety. Next is prepare necessary equipment for the initiation of IV. Check the sterility and integrity of the IV solution, IV set, and other devices. Next is wear gloves to prevent contact with blood spills. Next is check IV solution using the right of drug administration, then open the seal. Push spike into the bottle port. This is to ensure complete connection of bottle bag and the tubing. Next is select the vein for IV placement. Apply tourniquet 2 to 6 inches above the selected insertion site. Check for the presence of radial pulse. Next is clean the vein area with the use of cotton balls with alcohol, beginning at the vein and circling outward. Next is slip the sterile gauze under the hub. Release the tourniquet, remove the stylet while applying the digital pressure over the catheter or cannula. Open roller clamp or IV regulator slowly to allow fluid to flow freely for a few seconds. This next is tape a small loop of IV tubing for additional anchoring. Next is write on the IV label the date and time of IV insertion and its regulation. These are pertinent data in monitoring clients' intravenous therapy. Document pertinent information. Documentation contribute to continued data collection necessary for the client's care plan.